Welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Ford, please help me subscribe to my channel. Click that bell notification so every time I have a new video, you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2019 Ford Escape. So right now the check engine light is for the battery. So this code is very common when the battery either it go low or completely dead. It'll throw you this code. Now pending is also the same thing. There you go, pending, also the same thing. Right now I have my jumper hooked on to the battery so the car can start. Check engine light is there. I just turned off the car. I took out my jumper to see if it start again. Let's try it again. Oh, completely dead. Nothing. Now I'm gonna test the battery manually. I'm gonna use my voltmeter, put in DC volt. I'm gonna check the battery manually. So I have my ground lead on the ground terminal, and then I'm gonna touch the positive. Now you can see the battery is only 2.5 volt. It's completely dead. So I have my battery tester here. Clamp it into the battery, and it's not even enough battery voltage. It's keep on blinking. 12 volt battery. Cold cranking amp. I'm gonna test it anyways. This one is 760. 745, 750, 55. Test. Cold cranking amp. Yeah, I went back to the menu again. It won't even let me test cold cranking amp. 760. Testing. Yep. It says state of health 0. State of charging 0. So replace the battery first. So just replace. To get to the battery, you're gonna take out your air box. Just like that. For the battery, you can either disconnect it from the negative, which is a 13, or you can take out the positive first, slide the battery out, put in your ratchet, take out the negative. Battery here. Put the negative first. This one, cold cranking amp, is 615, a little bit lower than the other one. For this one, doesn't matter if you do the negative or the positive first or negative first. Usually you do the negative first and then you take out the positive, but it doesn't hurt the car. So, and I'm just gonna slide in the battery. Now I got my new battery in. Reconnect the positive. Don't forget the battery bracket here. And just put back your air box. So right now I got the new battery in already. I got my air box back, reconnect my connector, turn down the clamp. So right now I'm gonna start the car, let it idle for about 5 to 10 minutes, let everything recharge, and then I'm gonna show you the battery result of it. And letting the engine idle for about 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna check it again for the alternator voltage. So you can see the alternator is charging at 13.6, 13.7, so that's pretty good. Now I'm gonna turn off the car and then I'm gonna check it with the battery tester. Now I'm gonna test the battery again with the battery tester. So 12 volt battery, cold cranking amp, 615. There you go. You can see the battery says state of health, 100%. State of charging, that's the alternator, 75%. So the alternator is still in good condition. But after this, I'm gonna still let it turn it on, let it run for like 10-15 minutes. It'll go back up to about 80%. And now you're gonna clear the check engine light. I'm gonna turn on the car to clear the check engine light. There you go. Check engine light's still there. So I'm gonna go back to code. I'm gonna show you the code again. So this is a very common code for all the Ford truck, Ford Fusion, Ford Transit, Ford Escape, Ford Edge, Ford Explorer. This code is very common. If you see this code pops up with any other code, make sure you change out the battery first before you you fix all the other code, because the battery will like low battery, it'll cause the check engine light to throw other codes too. So if you see this code first, fix the battery first before you fix any other code. Code clear. There you go. turn it back on. There you go, starts up right away. Key battery is low. That is it for this video, guys. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I don't mind. I'm out. Peace.